Imagine you're in the middle of a heated gaming session, your team's down by 1 point, and your computer freezes, taking you back to a previous save, all because your motherboard couldn't keep up with the demands of a cutting-edge processor. This is exactly where the ASUS ROG Strix X870, a gaming Wi-Fi, steps in, designed to handle the most advanced AI and computational tasks with unparalleled performance, and seamlessly integrate your hardware for a frictionless gaming experience. However, let's take a step back. The AM5 landscape has exploded in terms of new CPU launches and motherboard offerings, yet most of these products focus solely on performance, often forgetting user-friendliness and setup ease. That's where this X870 truly stands out. First off, upon unboxing the X870-A, you're immediately struck by its premium quality and clean, sleek aesthetics, fitting seamlessly within any high-end gaming setup. Each component's design and integration appear deliberate, prioritizing form and function in perfect harmony. The build quality, much like the overall design, exudes an unwavering confidence in the product's build. But let's get into the nitty-gritty. The X870-A is all about features. It comes equipped with 16 plus 2 plus 2 power phases capable of handling the most powerful consumer-grade CPUs with ease, paired with advanced ASUS-exclusive overclocking technologies such as the dynamic OC switcher and Core Flex for precise, on-demand adjustments to your settings. Furthermore, the asynchronous clock and PBO enhancement work together to boost performance and maximize stability. Another crucial component is dynamic power management, which dynamically monitors power efficiency and adjusts the power delivery on the fly to always ensure optimal performance. This level of precision in power delivery is truly unmatched and is precisely what sets this motherboard apart from its competitors. However, it's not all about raw power and speed. This motherboard is also designed with AI overclocking, AI cooling too, and AI networking in mind. These smart technologies allow you to set up your system, optimize your cooling and network settings without manual intervention. It's a perfect marriage of raw performance and user-friendliness. Let's put this power to the test. Our gaming benchmarks showed significant gains over the previous generation, with an average increase of nearly 20% and some even more astonishing results. We also ran several real-world tests where we used it to encode large media files and perform scientific simulations. Not surprisingly, this motherboard consistently outperformed the baseline hardware with ease. Now, let's discuss some potential drawbacks. Our reviewers noted that some components may feel slightly cramped, and we also ran into some power delivery issues when trying to push our system to its limits. Nonetheless, in our evaluation of the ROG Strix X870, a gaming Wi-Fi's capabilities, its robust power solution far exceeded our expectations. When it comes to competing options, it's clear that this X870-A is an extremely strong contender in the high-end segment. The ROG Strix X670-A gaming Wi-Fi, for instance, is a worthy opponent, yet lags slightly behind in terms of power delivery and power phases. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix X870, a gaming Wi-Fi, is the creme de la creme when it comes to the AM5 landscape. Its seamless integration with AI technologies, unmatched power management, and user-friendliness make it a prime contender for anyone who seeks uncompromising performance. Whether you're a serious gamer, a content creator, or an enthusiast looking to push the limits of their PC, the ROG Strix X870, a gaming Wi-Fi, will undoubtedly deliver.